In today's lesson, I am going to explain nouns in some further details. First of all, let's see the difference between isme sift and sift swad fete. Isme sift mean adjectives, and mosuf meme wow swad wow mosuf. Mosuf means substantive or the word described. Substantive or the word described. For example, noun, let's say water, and this has two qualities, the hot water or cold water. So when we are describing it in Urdu, we'll say hot water. Hot mean garam, garam, gaf re meme, gaf re and meme. So garam pani, pani. And for cold water, cold mean thanda, te he th, te he th, then noon than, then make here dal, so thanda, thanda, thanda pani. So we have hot water garam pani, cold water thanda pani. Another example, fair complexion. We use the word fair complexion. Gora, gora mean fair, and complexion rang mean color of the skin. Rang, color. Gora rang, fair complexion. Likewise, interesting story. Interesting mean dilchasp. Dil, then che, then seen, and then pe. So dilchasp story, kahani. Kahani means story. Interesting story, dilchasp kahani. Here kahani is substantive and dilchasp mean interesting. This is adjective. Likewise, chota means small. Cho, che he. This is he, like this he. And in the beginning we have che. So cho. So chota, te alif ta, chota. Chota makan. 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 Makan mean house. Chota makan. Chota makan, small house. Likewise, we can say bada makan. Bede alif bada makan, meme kaf alif ka noon. Bada makan, large house. So chota makan, small house, and bada makan, large house. There is another interesting word, musladar. Meme wow, seen, lam, alif la, musla, dar, musladar. Musladar mean torrential, like musladar barish, musla barish rain. So torrential rain, मूसलाधार बारिश. Likewise, garam din, hot day. Garam din, hot mean garam and din mean day. So we can use two terms, isme sift and mawsoof, to explain adjective and substantive respectively. So like English, adjective will appear in the beginning at the first place, and then at the second place we will use the substantive. Similarly, there is a difference between isme marfa and isme nakra. Isme nakra. Isme marfa mean proper noun. So marfa mean proper. So marfa mean proper. And isme nakra, ism noun. Isme nakra improper noun or common noun. For example, we have a common noun, book. In Urdu we call it kitab. And we can make it proper noun by specifying or explaining the book. Like we say, this is Urdu book, mean Urdu book, Urdu ki kitab, Urdu ki kitab. So we attach a new word, ki, as I have already explained in the lesson of pronouns. We are using three words, ka, ki, ke. Ka is for masculine and ki for feminine and ke for plural. So here book is a singular, and it is book in Urdu is used as feminine, so we use ki sound, Urdu ki kitab. Similarly, there is another word which is common noun, table. Table mean maze. Maze, table. So we can make it as a proper noun or isme marfa, like wooden table or lakdi. Wooden mean lakdi, wood. So lam kaf re and choti ye, lakdi. So maze is used as masculine, so we use lakdi ka maze, wooden table. Bachche, children, isme nakra, common noun. We can say Amarati children, Amarati children or Amarati bachche. Or we can say Pakistani bachche, Pakistani bachche. Or we can say another word like naughty children, naughty, shararti, shararti, naughty, shararti, bachche, naughty children, शरारती बच्चे. We can also discriminate between masculine and feminine, muzakkar and muannas. Muannas, muzakkar and muannas. Muzakkar and muannas. Muzakkar mean masculine and muannas mean feminine. For example, like women is aurat and waw rete, and for muzakkar we call it marad, man. Marad, man, and women aurat. For father we use abu, abu like papa, abu, or father mean baap, be alif pe baap. He is my father, my baap, mera baap. Abu, when you are talking to your father, you normally we use the word papa, so abu. And for mother we say ammi, mama, or mother ma. So mother ma, father baap. So mother ma, father baap. And abu like papa and mama like ammi. Beta, beti. Beta, son, and beti, daughter. भाई बहन, भाई, भाई. बे, हे, अलिफ हमजा छोटी है, भाई brother, and बहन, बे, हे, नून बहन sister. मियाँ, 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 मीम ये अलिफ नून वना, मियाँ. Or we can use the word shohar, 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 miya, shohar, for husband. Husband, either use the word miya, my husband, mera miya, my husband, mera shohar, my, mera. So miya, shohar for husband. And for wife we use biwi, 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 wife. There is another word in formal Urdu, that is zoja, zoja, zoja for biwi. Like ustad, teacher, male teacher, male teacher ustad, alif sin te alif ta dal. And female teacher ustani, ustani. We can also discriminate between singular and plural, like singular wahid, wahid means singular and plural mean jama. So for example, there is a word book. In Urdu we call it kitab, kitab, kitab. And for plural, books, or we can say kutab, kutab, kutab. We can also use the word kitabein. Kitabein. So wahid singular is kitab and plural kutab or kitabein. Answer, for example, jawab, answer, answer my question, jawab. And plural is answers, jawabat, jawabat. Like sawal, question, sawalat, sawalat. Like word, lafaz, lam fi zoi, lafaz, word. And words, alfaz, alfaz. Din, day, din. And there's another word we use, yom. So plural of din is also din, but if we are using yom, then the plural will be ayyam, ayyam. Similarly, masjid, mosque, prayer place, masjid. And plural, more than one mosque, masajid, masajid. So in this lesson we have seen that noun can be explained through adjectives, means isme sift or mausuf. Noun can be proper noun or common noun like isme marfa, isme nakra. Noun may appear as masculine or feminine, muzakkar and muannas, and singular and plural, wahid, jama. So that's all in this lesson. Thank you very much.